Where are my sparkling water fans? This machine by Glacier Fresh is a refrigerated sparkling water maker. So let's go ahead and take this out of the package. Watch me struggle to get this unwrapped. And then we're going to go ahead and get our machine set up today. So pop off that plastic, double check the instructions so you do everything right. You're going to add the charging handle and then go ahead and pop off the water tank, flip it around and add in that CO2 cartridge. So you're going to twist it, make sure it's locked down into place, replace the back, put some water in and go ahead and plug this in. As mentioned, it refrigerates, so that blinking light is going to actually go ahead and dispense refrigerated cold water. It's best to use distilled or filtered water with this just to help keep the filters clean. Once that's all filled up, you're going to push down on the charging handle and add your carbonation to your water until it's carbonated to your liking, and add that to your glass then. If you like sparkling water that's flavored or you want to make it into a cocktail, then you can go ahead and do that afterwards. I'm going to grab some strawberry watermelon flavoring, add to taste, and have great tasting sparkling water by Glacier Fresh.